Let the LED light transform your aquarium with each color change. Pause the cycle on any color to fully customize your aquarium. The anemones sway with your filter current and give your fish a place to hide and relax. Tetra plants come to life under the glow of ColorFusion LED. The Tetra ColorFusion kit includes 1 20-glass-gallon aquarium, 1 aquarium hood, 1 UL heater, 1 Tetra Whisper 20 filter, 1 ColorFusion universal color changing LED, 2 Wonderland plant multipacks, 1 blooming white anemone. Top reviews from the United States. Great value for the cost. My son won a goldfish at the county fair and things escalated quickly. We had a small unfiltered aquarium for a few days and it just wasn't cutting it. Having had a 20-gallon tank in my youth, I wanted one again. I came across this kit and couldn't resist. For what you pay, what is there to complain about? I guess if you wanted to be picky, the lighting setup is a cheap but works great, no backdrop, the heater is not variable so it'll heat at 100 W, a little warm for the goldfish, but actual water temp is around 73 to 74 versus the cheap sticker thermometer which reads 76, and the sealant used to waterproof the tank looks like it was globbed on with a caulk gun. But honestly, use common sense and wash the plants, rocks, tank and get the aquarium full, clean, and introduce your fish. I bought some 4 by 5 pounds bags of Petco brand black fluorescent rock, a bunch of plants, a chemical kit, air pump, and some decor. Unfortunately, most of the stuff is still in shipping purgatory but the tank kit came fast. Do your research, keep your fish alive and enjoy. My son couldn't be happier.